就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes Tito Tong with a song called Lineal Sentimental, or in Hakka, he translates it to Gam Qing Xian. Now, it's based off a Paraguayan folk ballad, and he translated the lyrics into Hakka, and also invited a well-respected Paraguayan choir to record this version with him. The track combines Asian instruments with Latin American melodies and Western jazz. Spanish lyrics also appear in the song to give it a very unique sound and style. Let's take a listen.
天涯世界，东岸慢慢航道，你给头前，两手牵得拉黑，爱为了你来心相连。Todo te recuerda mi dulce amor junto al agua azul de Pacaraí. Vuelve para siempre, mi amor te espera, Puñataí. Bonito con sol, ya黑夜，风儿慢慢航道，你给头前，多留个风息气，爱为了你来用手牵。Todo te recuerda mi dulce amor junto al agua azul de Pacaraí. Vuelve para siempre, mi amor te espera, Puñataí.
这首汤雨欣的歌呢，叫做《Gam Qing Xian》感情线，是一首充满浪漫风情的歌曲哦。它改编自巴拉圭民谣大师的作品，然后汤雨欣呢把它翻成客语，然后也邀请到巴拉圭有名的合唱团一起来合作。里面的歌曲呢，以东方风格的二胡哦，还有配上拉丁美洲的旋律，然后再加上西方爵士和声哦，让你有一种非常轻快的拉丁 salsa 节奏感哦。然后在歌词里面呢，还穿插了西班牙的演唱，让整首歌呢非常有多元的风格，描写一段异国恋情哦。That does it for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.